Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, I have a very good news for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin was breaking out after our coverage exactly here, exactly as we mentioned, out of this ascending triangle. This video was called Insane Bitcoin Move in 3, 2, 1. And the question everyone is asking right now, is this rejection here already the end, or are we finally going here towards our bullish price target I mentioned in yesterday's video? But even more importantly, guys, and make sure you watch this video until the very end, I will be giving you my next price target after this one here, and I can promise you right now this will certainly blow your mind, because zooming out here you can see that Bitcoin has done right now something extremely important for the confirmation as to whether we are in a parabolic bull run, as you can see in 2012, as you can see in 2016, and as you can see right now today for Bitcoin. I will be talking about all of that. I will be showing you my trade on Phemex, my brand new trade on Bybit, what I am doing with it right now, and also my price targets for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Guys, do not miss out on this very important video. Sit down, scroll down, smash up the like button, and you know what, guys, look at this. We have nearly 90,000 subscribers. My birthday is in a little bit less than a month, so please, if you would do me one small favor as a future birthday present, if you scroll down, press also the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all. And with that being said, welcome crypto fans and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see here, after the video yesterday, literally immediately after the video, it was approximately here, the price of Bitcoin was breaking out exactly as we expected here at the MMCrypto community. And as you remember, our price target was all the way up here. The question right now is this pump here with this rejection at our resistance zone already over? Are we going to meet our price target? And even more importantly, I want to be showing you also what is our next price target after we hit that. And I want to tell you guys, you will be surprised by that. But we have to talk here about the immediate short term a little bit to understand a little bit better what is going on here for Bitcoin. So as you remember yesterday, I mentioned that the Bitcoin price is right now, with the recent price action, more or less confirming a new pattern evolving. People were not really believing me here with this ascending triangle, but with this amazing breakout, obviously this gets a little bit more legitimacy. And what I was mentioning yesterday is that a breakout towards the upside is much more likely than towards the downside. What I was also pointing out was this resistance zone and this price target. You know what, guys, before we continue, let me show you this few seconds clip here from yesterday's video. We have the declining volume, the breakout is still to come, and we have a significantly higher than 50% likelihood of Bitcoin here breaking towards the upside. What are we doing as sophisticated investors? Well, I am already in a trade, but I might open another trade here to trade the breakout. And just to show you what the breakout trade would be, we would pull this all the way up here. No matter where we break out, the breakout target would be the same, since we have horizontal resistance. And in case we would be breaking out, maybe if you are trading on the 4-hourly candles, trade the breakout confirmation here. That would be, in my opinion, the safer game. In this case, I would be personally closing this trade, or at least taking my profits from the table, or my initial investment, better to say, from the table at $11,350 US here on the 4-hourly candles. And as you can see, we exactly broke out, and Bitcoin is right now fighting here with the first resistance area. Before I am going into the next price targets, my trades, and much more, guys, wait here, especially zooming out on the macro, this will blow your mind completely. I want to be showing you here that the Bitcoin price is not by coincidence rejected here at this level here, approximately $10,900 US. I had this resistance box, which was support way back then a few months ago, here in all of our last videos, basically in all of our last 20-30 videos or so, and you can see the exact rejection here. This is coming from the simple fact that, as you can see here, after the immediate pump, Bitcoin was finding 6, 7, 8 times support on the 4-hourly candles in this area. So one-on-one in trading, obviously previous support, right now with us breaking below, becoming new resistance. Well, is this resistance the strongest resistance? For sure not. The strongest resistance will come come in at the 11,100 US dollar area. But I am confident that we can fulfill here our bullish price target at 11,300 US dollars. Before I am going into my trades and also show you exactly the profits, my take profits, my price targets here, I want to be zooming out on the daily candles because something extremely interesting is evolving for Bitcoin right now. And zooming out here on the daily candles, we can see something very, very interesting, and I am not exaggerating here. Pulling out the famous Fibonacci retracement level from the swing high, the all-time high in the end of 2017, to the swing low, the bear market low at 3,100 US dollars. Look at this. Then you can see that our bullish price target here, it looks so tiny, 11,300 on the 4-hourly candles. Of course, it looks nearly unachievable for Bitcoin. You can see that our bullish price target at 11,400 is in alignment with the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. We could do this on the weekly basically. And the interesting thing though is that our next price target after we hit that, and I will elaborate later a little bit on why I think we are in this bullish trend and why I think we are going to hit this next bullish price target as well, at least looking on the weekly candles. Remember guys, we can have pullbacks, we can have these shakeout periods. Don't be over leveraged here guys, please. It is very important for me that the MMCrypto community is not losing money in this bull run, so hold your vast majority of your holdings in a long-term holding portfolio. I'm saying that every time, but it is so important for me. But look at this. After our 11,400 US dollar bullish price target, look what is the next one. And this is interesting. Look at this massive green box here in alignment with the yellow resistance box we actually also have pointed out here. This is the 13,370 to 13,900 US dollar price target. This is the famous golden pocket. And what you can see here is previously in the last run in 2019, Bitcoin was rejected exactly here at the golden pocket. I do expect the Bitcoin price to get massive resistance once again, once we are getting into the golden pocket. However, I think this time we are going to break it. But of course, guys, back into the 4-hourly candles. Don't forget that we have some fights coming up within that rally here. We have the 10,900 level. We have the 11,100 being new resistance here after it being massive significant support, as you can see here, with multiple touch points. And then our 11,400 US dollar bullish price target, of course, as well. Of course, guys, I also want to be showing you my trades. As you remember, I have my long-term trade on Phemex and I have my short-term new trade on Bybit. I will be showing you everything. My trade on Phemex is here right now, raking in 32,000 US dollars in profits. I opened it at 9,400 US dollars. And as you remember, I also have my new trade on Bybit. As you can see right there on the top, you can see I opened this trade here at approximately 10,133 US dollars. I did show you this trade here also yesterday. This one is right now 90% in a profit. And as you can see, I have my stop loss here approximately at break even. Yesterday, I also showed you my trading history for everyone who's interested. I show you my whole trading history to prove you that I am not hiding any trades from you. So make sure you check that out here, the video from yesterday, if you are interested in my trading history as well. But now, guys, really, this is the most important one. We are focusing on the short term. We are interested in maximizing our gains in Bitcoin in the immediate short term. But I am holding my vast majority of holdings in the long-term Bitcoin portfolio. And what we are going to do right now is extremely important for the next 12-18 months for Bitcoin. I will be zooming out and show you one mind-blowing chart where Bitcoin basically confirms right now the parabolic bull run towards a new all-time high. I will be showing it to you, and everyone who is a long-term subscriber on the MMCrypto channel already saw this chart a few months ago. And what is happening right now is extremely interesting. First of all, I want to remind you, if you also want to be opening here a trade on Bybit, Phemex, or whatever exchange, I have our trusted exchanges in the pinned comment down below. You will see it if you go to the pinned comment. $522 for free on Bybit, Phemex, and Dudex. After your initial deposit, you get only with our links in the pinned comment the highest bonuses on YouTube completely for free. But please only do it if you are an experienced experienced trader, as a broken record already said it multiple times. Very important. But now, guys, look at this. Big shout out to one of the most undervalued Twitter accounts in crypto, CryptoKia. I know you are watching. I mean, come on, guys, this is the best proof that you need clickbait, unfortunately, for the algorithm to come, because he has amazing content, is not using clickbait, and is not getting any views. Well, however, he's here talking about the Maya multiple price bands, and as you remember, the Maya multiple is coming from the 200-day moving average, and a multiple of the 200-day moving average determines certain very important resistance and support areas for Bitcoin in the whole cycle view. And this is extremely interesting. Here, a big shout out to digitalic.net for this visualization, for CryptoKia for this tweet, and for Trace Maya for developing the Maya multiple. What he was saying here is that the Maya multiple price bands suggest that the Bitcoin price could find its bottom on the in the $10,000 area. He said that on the 5th of September, by the way, being the current support line of the bullish yellow channel. I will be showing it to you. Wait here until the end. I want to urge you to watch this video until the end. This is important. This channel has offered consistent support in both prior bull market phases. I am talking here about 2010, 2011. I am talking here about 2013, 2014, guys. It is completely crazy. Let me go over here into this chart. What you can see here is, this is amazing, guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. You can see here that this green line, you see here this green line, this is the 200-day moving average. And a multiple of that here determines where these price bands are actually starting and ending. And you can see here on the right bottom side that the yellow channel is the bullish channel. The bullish channel is always coming whenever the Bitcoin price is above the 200-day moving average. And this is very interesting right now, because you can see, and by the way, guys, before it's getting dark here, I am in Dubai, as you know, and it is getting dark very soon. I want to show you here this amazing view. Look at this. This is the 46th floor. And it is really an amazing view on the river here. And yeah, before it's getting dark, I just wanted to show you that, yeah, I was living on an island basically for the last 6 months. And now I am in this city. I was walking barefoot for 6 months in a row. I didn't wear shoes for even once. And now I'm getting this cultural shock. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a little bit here of my world. By the way, if you are interested more in this private stuff, in mindset, and also in daily crypto content, follow me at @MMCrypto on Instagram. I will leave the link down in the description down below. So here you can see it. Look at this. The Bitcoin price in 2012 went here into above the 200-day moving average, and was then bullishly consolidating over more than 12 months in this bullish channel. And of course, as long as Bitcoin stays above the 200-day moving average, it is upward sloping, and the bullish consolidation is also upward sloping. You can see this here. Before, once Bitcoin broke this, it went completely vertical towards the new all-time high. Same right here in the next micro bull market. What you can see here, Bitcoin was supported by the 200-day moving average, then breaking out, going vertical, once again bear market. But once Bitcoin went above the 200-day moving average, it is the green line here, and in the bullish channel, you see we were bullishly consolidating within 1.5 2 years, even like this is 1.5 years towards the upside. And once Bitcoin broke out, we went completely vertical towards the new all-time high. And what you can see here right now is we are in the bullish channel again. And let me zoom in here a little bit, guys. Let me zoom in here. You can see that in this bullish channel right now, Bitcoin is supported by the 200-day moving average and is staying within this price band. And obviously this means with this maturing, the 200-day moving average will also mature, and the Bitcoin price will, if Bitcoin is doing anything similar as to what it has done in the last 10-11 years, will be bullishly consolidating within the next 12-18 months until we finally break out of this bullish channel here towards the new all-time high. And this is obviously very, very interesting, guys. You can see this here. If you were to go yourself also on TradingView on the daily candles, you can look at this chart yourself on TradingView. Let me zoom out here a little bit, and it is called the Maya multiple price bands. And if I am enabling that, you can see it here on your TradingView charts yourself. And you can see here also that the Bitcoin price is, after we broke above it, bullishly consolidating, not going below this important level. This level is, by the way, here also in alignment with our previous resistance line here with this 3-year converging trend lines, which I was mentioning throughout the last few months. So obviously it is extremely bullish for Bitcoin that we were bouncing at this $10,000 level back and forth over and over again within the last few days. Look at this, 2012 we were staying inside, 2013 we were staying inside, and every single time Bitcoin was breaking out of this bullish channel, obviously we went completely vertical towards the upside for Bitcoin. Let me know down below what you think about that. I am extremely bullish, at least on the weekly and monthly candles. You know I am in these two trades. Let me know down below, what is your game plan? What are you expecting for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? Also, look at this, guys. Look at the DeFi market. You know I am sharing my DeFi portfolio on a daily basis on Twitter, at MMCrypto on Twitter if you want to follow us. And look at this. The total value locked in DeFi in US dollar is right now, after this massive dip, once again going completely parabolic here. And of course, if this continues right now, we can expect serious gains for the DeFi movement. And as you remember, I am sharing my DeFi portfolio here on a constant basis. All my DeFi picks, which I include in my portfolio, you can follow them on Twitter. Of course, I am giving some updates here also on YouTube every now and then. But this is already it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Amazing that we actually got this breakout I was talking about yesterday before the breakout in our yesterday's video. So let's see if we can fulfill our bullish price target. If you are a little bit uncertain, well, you might as well consider taking a first profits here within this resistance box. I mean, it is always amazing to take some chips from the table. If you traded this amazing breakout here, well, you could say take some chips from the table, and whatever happens, you are in a profit. Even if the Bitcoin price were to crash down and if we were to go up, well, I would be taking my second profits here approximately at this price target. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing to our videos, for sharing, and yeah, for leaving your thoughts in the comment section, because you know I am reading most of your comments and I really appreciate your support along the lines as well. Thank you so much, guys. You are the reason why we are top 3 in crypto as an MMCrypto community with the biggest crypto family in the world on Telegram. Thank you so much for your support. As always, remember, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.